In the heart of West Africa, a bold new chapter is unfolding. Ghana is teaming up with China to manufacture electric cars right on home soil. This partnership marks a significant turning point, not just for Ghana, but for the entire region. It signals a move towards technological advancement and a commitment to a cleaner, more sustainable future. The collaboration is a testament to Ghana's ambition to become a leader in Africa's green revolution, and it's capturing the attention of innovators and investors worldwide. This partnership isn't just about building cars, it's about laying the foundation for a brand new industry. It means creating thousands of jobs for Ghanaians, from engineers and factory workers to designers and sales teams. It's about empowering local talent, fostering skills development, and setting a new standard for environmental responsibility across Africa. The ripple effects will be felt in communities, schools, and businesses as the country positions itself at the forefront of innovation. Ghana's vision goes beyond simply exporting raw materials. With abundant lithium resources, the country is determined to add value at home, transforming its natural wealth into advanced manufacturing and high-tech products. By processing lithium locally, Ghana can drive economic growth, create new supply chains, and ensure that the benefits of its resources stay within its borders. By collaborating with China, a global leader in electric vehicles, Ghana gains access to cutting-edge technology, expertise, and crucial investment. This partnership opens doors to knowledge transfer, training programs, and the development of a skilled workforce ready to compete on the world stage. The vision is clear. Imagine Accra's bustling streets filled with locally assembled zero-emission vehicles, all powered by Ghanaian innovation and ingenuity. These cars represent more than just transportation. They symbolize hope for a cleaner, healthier, and more prosperous future. Ghana's bold move could inspire neighboring countries to follow suit, positioning West Africa as a key player in the global shift toward sustainable transport. The region could become a hub for electric vehicle production, research, and green technology, attracting new partnerships and investments. The journey ahead will not be without challenges. There will be obstacles to overcome, from infrastructure to policy, but the potential rewards are immense. Cleaner air for future generations, robust economic growth, and a leap forward in technological progress that could transform lives across the continent. The road to Ghana's electric future is being paved today, step by step, with vision and determination. It's a journey that promises to usher in a transformative era, not just for Ghana, but for all of Africa, lighting the way toward a brighter, greener tomorrow. On June 12, 2025, Ghana's foreign minister announced a landmark agreement with China, signaling a bold new direction for both nations. This historic moment was the result of months of high-level negotiations and careful diplomacy, reflecting the growing importance of Africa on the global stage. The announcement was met with excitement and optimism, as leaders from both countries emphasized the transformative potential of this partnership. At the heart of the agreement is the construction of a large-scale electric car manufacturing plant in Ghana. This facility will be one of the most advanced in the region, equipped with cutting-edge technology and designed to produce thousands of electric vehicles each year. The plant is expected to create thousands of jobs for Ghanaians, from engineers and technicians to assembly line workers, and will serve as a hub for innovation and skills development. This deal, unveiled at the China-Africa Summit, marks a new era of cooperation focused on industrial development and green technology. It's a clear sign that both nations are committed to addressing climate change and building a sustainable future. The summit itself was a showcase of international collaboration, with leaders discussing ways to harness technology for economic growth and environmental protection. For Ghana, it's a leap from being primarily a raw material exporter to becoming a high-tech manufacturer, aligning perfectly with President Mahama's vision for a modern, industrialized nation. This shift promises to diversify the economy, reduce dependence on traditional exports, and empower a new generation of skilled workers. The project is also expected to attract further investment and inspire other African countries to pursue similar paths. China, in turn, gains a strategic manufacturing base in West Africa, expanding its global supply chain and strengthening its economic ties with the continent. For Ghana, the partnership opens doors to world-class technology, significant investment, and access to new markets. Both countries stand to benefit from increased trade, knowledge exchange, and shared expertise in advanced manufacturing. The agreement is designed for mutual benefit, strengthening economic and diplomatic ties for years to come. It sets a precedent for future collaborations, demonstrating how nations can work together to achieve shared goals. The spirit of partnership and trust is evident in every aspect of the deal, from technology transfer to workforce training. It's more than just a factory. It's a blueprint for a new kind of partnership based on sustainability, innovation, and shared prosperity. The focus on green technology highlights a commitment to protecting the environment while driving economic growth. Engineers and designers from both countries will collaborate to develop vehicles that meet the needs of African consumers and set new standards for efficiency. This pact turns a bold idea into a concrete plan, launching Ghana's race to lead Africa's electric car revolution. The rollout of the first vehicles will be a milestone symbolizing the country's progress and ambition. For many Ghanaians, the factory represents hope for a brighter future, with new opportunities and a cleaner environment. The stage is set for a project that will reshape Ghana's economy and regional role, positioning the nation as a leader in Africa's green industrial revolution. As construction begins and partnerships deepen, the world will be watching Ghana and China write this exciting new chapter together. At the heart of Ghana's electric vehicle revolution lies a game-changing resource: lithium. This silvery white metal, essential for powering the batteries that drive electric cars, is found in remarkable abundance beneath Ghana's soil. For years, lithium has been the backbone of the global shift toward clean energy, and now, Ghana is poised to become a major player in this transformation. The country's rich lithium reserves are not just a geological advantage, they represent a new chapter in Ghana's industrial story, one that could reshape its economic landscape for generations. Unlike the traditional model of simply exporting raw minerals to other countries, Ghana's forward-thinking strategy is to process lithium locally. By refining the ore and manufacturing batteries and electric vehicles within its own borders, Ghana is taking control of its resources and adding significant value at every step. This approach not only keeps more wealth in the country, but also helps build technical expertise and create new industries. This integrated approach is transforming Ghana's economy, fostering a self-sustaining industrial ecosystem that supports local businesses, encourages innovation, and provides stable employment for thousands of Ghanaians. It's a bold move that positions the country as a leader in Africa's green technology sector. By using locally sourced lithium to power its automotive industry, Ghana is reducing its dependence on foreign supply chains. This not only strengthens the nation's economic resilience, but also ensures that the benefits of the EV revolution are felt by communities across the country. With control over the entire process, from mining and refining to battery assembly and vehicle production, Ghana is carving out a unique and influential role in the global electric vehicle market. This comprehensive strategy gives the country a competitive edge and attracts international investment. Importantly, the project is setting a new benchmark for responsible resource management. Ghana is prioritizing environmental protection, investing in eco-friendly mining practices, and ensuring that local communities benefit from the industry's growth. Reforestation, community engagement, and sustainable development are at the core of this initiative. By transforming its natural wealth into skilled jobs and a thriving clean industry, Ghana is charting a path toward a sustainable, self-reliant future. The country is empowering its people and inspiring a new generation of innovators and entrepreneurs. The journey of lithium from Ghanaian earth to electric roads is more than just a supply chain. It's a powerful symbol of the nation's industrial awakening and its commitment to a cleaner, brighter tomorrow. The electric car plant is more than an environmental project. It's a catalyst for economic growth and job creation. Thousands of new jobs will emerge not just in assembly, but across supporting industries like logistics, parts, and maintenance. The ripple effect will boost household incomes and stimulate a vibrant national economy. Ghana's Made in Ghana label will expand to include high-tech vehicles, enhancing its reputation as an investment and innovation hub. Success in EV manufacturing could attract other advanced industries, diversifying the economy for the future. The project invests in human capital, training a new generation of skilled Ghanaian workers. It's about assembling the building blocks of a modern industrial economy, not just cars. This venture will drive Ghana's long-term growth, making it a model of industrial progress in Africa. Before the government's big deal with China, local startup Solar Taxi was already sparking Ghana's EV revolution. Founded in 2018, Solar Taxi imported components from China and assembled electric vehicles locally, proving EVs could work in Ghana. They focused on electric cars and motorbikes, creating jobs and building a skilled workforce. By targeting ride-hailing and delivery services, Solar Taxi made EVs accessible and built public trust in clean transport. Their bright yellow vehicles became a symbol of a cleaner, quieter future on Ghana's streets. Solar Taxi's success laid the groundwork for larger-scale investment, showing there was a viable market and local expertise. They tackled early challenges, importing parts, setting up charging points, and building a customer base. Solar Taxi's pioneering spirit paved the way for Ghana's new era of electric mobility. The Ghana-China partnership is supercharged by China's zero-tariff policy, eliminating taxes on Ghanaian exports to China. This move makes Ghanaian products, from cocoa to cars, more competitive in the world's largest market. The policy boosts trade, encourages diversification, and creates jobs across multiple sectors. China is already Ghana's top trading partner, and the zero-tariff regime will deepen this economic alliance. For the EV industry, it opens the door for Ghanaian-assembled electric cars to one day enter the Chinese market. The policy incentivizes high standards and efficiency, pushing Ghana's manufacturing to global levels. It's a clear signal of Beijing's commitment to Ghana's economic success in a new era of global trade. The zero-tariff policy is a golden opportunity for Ghana's exporters and manufacturers. Ghana's electric vehicle dream faces real challenges, starting with the high upfront cost of EVs, even with local assembly. For many Ghanaians, affordability remains a barrier, despite long-term savings on fuel and maintenance. Charging infrastructure is another hurdle. While cities like Accra have some stations, a nationwide network is still lacking. Building this network will require major investment and coordination between government and private sector. Developing local battery production is complex and capital-intensive, needing technology transfer and skilled workers. The government can help with subsidies, tax incentives, and public education to boost adoption. Overcoming these obstacles will take honest assessment and proactive solutions from all stakeholders. With determination, Ghana can keep its electric future on track. The Ghana-China partnership aims to make Ghana a green tech leader for all of West Africa. Not just an assembly point, but a center for innovation. Technology transfer from China will empower Ghanaian engineers and entrepreneurs to design and build their own solutions. The plan is to expand from passenger cars to electric buses and trucks, serving regional needs in public transport and logistics. Ghana's strategic location makes it an ideal export base for the economic community of West African states, a market of nearly 400 million people. By producing high-quality, affordable EVs, Ghana can accelerate the green transition across the region. The partnership also includes developing local aluminum and rail infrastructure, further strengthening the industrial ecosystem. All these elements position Ghana as a comprehensive hub for advanced manufacturing and green technology in Africa. The ambition to be West Africa's go-to source for sustainable transport solutions. The Ghana-China Electric Car Initiative is a turning point, shifting Ghana from a resource-based to a technology-driven economy. By harnessing its resources, investing in people, and embracing innovation, Ghana is building a more prosperous, sustainable future. Local pioneers like Solar Taxi proved the concept, while China's support brings scale and expertise. The project aligns with national industrial goals and has strong political backing. If successful, Ghana will create thousands of jobs and become West Africa's leader in green automotive technology. The vision Ghanaian-made EVs exported across Africa, driving a cleaner, more sustainable transport system. This story is about international cooperation unlocking new potential and setting an example for the continent. Ghana is in the driver's seat. Its journey toward a greener future is just beginning.